was working on a project, and one of the images I needed was a family having a picnic in the winter. Now, living in South Africa, we don't get snow, and I couldn't find what I was looking for in Canva's library. So let me show you what I did. The photos where there is no snow, they are not really dressed for winter. And where they are dressed for winter, they also have snow. So what did I do? I used this image and this image. We will remove the background from this image. What we're gonna do with this, I'm gonna say magic grab. And then we can just brush over this part. Let's just get it all. And then you say grab. Now we can just delete that one. There we have it, the perfect photo. Dressed for winter, white sky, and no snow.